All right, now that we have our strawberry slices laid out on our greased 9x13, I'm gonna bring in my 6-ounce box of strawberry jello, and we're gonna sprinkle that right over our strawberries. We're gonna use this whole box. This is gonna make such a delicious and easy strawberry dessert. This dessert is such a crowd pleaser, and I think your family will love it. Okay, beautiful. Next, I'm coming in with my mini marshmallows, and this is the 10 ounces, and we're just gonna sprinkle that right on top of those strawberries and that jello. Now, it's so important that you grease your pan with this dessert because we do not want it to stick. Let's get this whole entire bag on there and then spread it out from edge to edge. Oh my goodness. I cannot wait to get this in the oven. We're gonna just put this to the side and bring in a medium bowl and a whisk. And inside our bowl, we're gonna add our box of vanilla cake mix. You can do white, you can do yellow, but I love the vanilla for this because I think vanilla and strawberry go beautifully together. And we're just gonna follow those box instructions. So I'm gonna add 3 eggs right in our bowl, 1 cup of water with our eggs, and then 1/3 a cup of vegetable oil. Oh yeah, okay. We're gonna give this a good mix until it is well combined. All right, that looks absolutely perfect. Go ahead and remove our whisk. We don't need that anymore. And let's bring back our strawberry lined Pyrex. And it is time to pour this right over. I'm gonna make sure it's nicely evenly distributed. Okay. Kind of smooth that out the best we can without messing with those marshmallows too much, but we do want to get it to edge. I hate how they changed the ounces of the cake mix, so all my recipes are a little wonky because of that. All right, my oven is set to 350, and this is gonna bake for about 40 minutes. All right, you guys, took this out of the oven and I let it chill for about 15 minutes. It is time now to flip it out of our pan.
We're flipping this?
Yeah.
Oh.
Oh, look at it. Oh, perfect.
Oh, wow.
Look at that. We lost a few strawberries, but it looks absolutely delicious. So it's time to cut a slice. Butter knife is always the best for cutting cake.
Is it really?
Yeah.
It's good tech.
Look at that. Oh my. Looks absolutely incredible. Now, personally, I'm gonna do this with a little Reddi-wip. Like I said, you don't need any whipped cream or frosting for this, but it always makes things better. All right, let's give it a try. Strawberry upside down cake.
Was it good?
Oh my, wow. It's incredible.